Welcome to dridhOn channel. Here we are discussing about automation testing introduction with industry experts. Let's start.
I will give you introduction why and what we are going to learn actually. Okay. Before I start my screen, let me conclude it. What is automation testing first? See, any applications, right? Mainly automation is there in all the fields. Okay, it's not only for the software. Automation is one of the technique what we are going to implement for the new things. Okay, so what mainly we have to focus here, how can we come out from the manual? Okay, so the manual testing can take 1,000 hours. 1,000 hours you can say as some kind of a months also. Okay, instead of that, how can we utilize the automation testing to automate the applications? Okay, that is what our main goal. It can be any language. It can be a Java, Python, C#, Perl, Ruby, .NET. We don't worry about that because it's not like every person should learn as only one language. So whoever, I mean, it's based on their knowledge and it's based on their interest, right? So the language is just a communication to the Selenium. Okay, so Selenium is again one of the tool. I can say it's a API, application programming interface. Okay, so we are downloading the Selenium, we are utilizing it. Okay, better I'll start with my architecture. What we are going to discuss, Selenium architecture. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, guys, let me know. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yeah, tell me. Hey, Bala, I think your internet is not much good. Can you please check your internet, Bala? Okay. Hey, guys, I'll just tell you what we are going to discuss only. Okay. See, suppose example, I have some applications. The application is called yatra.com. So this is some kind of a travel agency. Just imagine you are working in one ABC company and your company got an offer to develop and release this application. That means yatra.com, you got the applications and you have to deliver it. See, as a company, you may have a fresher, experienced, senior and architecture, manager, CEO. I'm telling you some normal company structure. Okay. So generally, we already knows what is testing concept, what is software. Generally, what will happen as per the software things, business people will go outside of the market. They will bring the customers. Like suppose yatra.com is a customer. They will bring it to our office. They will discuss with the manager and the HR and the entire team. We got this offer. Shall we develop and shall we give the quotation? How much people needed? How many resources needed? How many days to implement this application? How many days to test these applications? So everything will be made a document. Okay. So once the document is, everything is ready, you guys, I mean, the architecture will start to do the design part. So this is what first step, who will do? Architecture will do, right? Hey, sorry guys, if you want, you can go on mute. If needed, then you can talk.
Okay.
Yeah. If anybody need a break, you can please let me know. Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay, sorry. I was talking on mute. See, I'm going to give one example so that you guys will understand what we are going to learn in next 1 month. Next 20 hours is very important in your career because we are together here to learn, to get some good job. That is automation testing, which is record in the market right now. Okay. So what we need to do, this is the application. The architecture is developed like this is the left side. I need a search box here, and right side I have some advertisement, and the top I have some menus, and topmost right side I have my account details. See, this is what the architecture has developed. Architecture has designed it, and the developer has developed like this. Okay, so developer developed it, and so from where we got this all the documentation actually, it's all given by the customer. Who is our customer? Yatra.com. He given the design, all these things. I want like this, I want like this, everything. Okay, so what happened? Developer has developed it. Okay, see, I'll just give you one diagram, guys, so that you will understand actually. See, this is business analyst. He collected the the customers. Okay, and he given to the requirement analysis done as a round table. Then it will be go to the architect. Okay. I'll just make it like this, architect. So architect is the designed. After he designed, it will go to the dev team. So development done. Correct. Till now the application is ready. You just imagine application is ready here. Okay. Now this application hand over to whom? Testing team. Because you are going to release the application. Before releasing, this guy should give a certification. Everything is working in this application, so you can release. Okay. So this again, the testing process is a different. There are a lot of testing can be. Okay. Manual testing I will come. So what will be the document? So testing, we have a generally one document will be shared to all. Correct. See, the same business analyst collected the document and he shared it to all. The same document shared to for the design, same document shared to the developers. So based on that only he developed the application, right? The same document will be shared to the testing team. Example, suppose my account, right? So here there is a login and sign up. So maybe the sign up instead of login, there may be a sign in. I'm just telling guys, it's like a small things, but maybe it's a customer requirement, right? So this at all is a proper or not. So instead of one way round trip multi-city, there is round trip got missed up here. So it's there or not there. That is a tester's job. You guys clear till now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. So based on the document, you should see, hey, one way is there. Okay, in the one way, can I able to click? See what I did? I just clicked on it. Destination, from. So I can click, right? So the suggestion box is coming or not. Maybe some of the applications you will not get the suggestion box. You have to type entirely. But that is not the customer requirement. Once you started to type, it will match with your suggestion and should come and you can able to click on this. So once you click on it, automatically your mouse will move to the going from to. So again, you have to give two part. See, it's giving suggestion, right? Suppose this application I can give Bangalore. Actually, Bangalore can be the name called Bengaluru also. But still it's coming, correct? And see, the spelling is not right, no? But still I can get the suggestion. Why? Because there may be developer in the behind, they may design like that. If anybody is typing Bengaluru, I should get like this. Correct? So based on that, you have to do. So this is all step by step we have to do by manually. So morning, how many test cases you can cover? That and all will be there. See, one day you cannot complete the entire applications because the entire applications can cover maybe 5,000 test cases. Okay, guys, you already must to know what is the words I'm using. Test cases, because test cases is the one what you are going to test the applications, right? So in automation, we will use the term as a test script that we will see later. Now try to understand what is testing, what you are going to achieve it. I'm not going to start the automation now. I'm giving you guys overview. Okay, so this is a simple, right? Simple example. Okay, anyone can come and click on one way and click on the from to, then click on the departure date. I can give the date, then I can search the flight. So after click on search flight, why it's showing? Okay, round trip, right? So round trip on one way. Okay, it's a one way. Clicking search flights. See, it's a redirecting. The page is loading. It's a redirecting. Redirecting in the sense the web page will change. That also you guys have to observe. See, flight.yatra. It changed. Okay. So it changed and it came to the list of flights. So you have to test it based on the application. I mean, based on the database. Are you getting all these things, all the data, all the flight, all the fare, and customer can able to click on this or not? And if I'm clicking this, I'm getting two option or not. So all these things you have to do manually. Okay. So daily, I mean, it's not a daily. Why I'm telling anything can change, right? See, previously maybe Yatra doesn't have a hotels booking. They may have only flights. So now you can see hotel is there, villa, buses, holidays, cabs, and few more. Trains, freight, adventures. So in the starting, this was not there actually. That means as per their requirement, it was not there. And later they added all these things based on that architecture, develop, testing, release. Okay, this is the concept, guys. So what happened 10 years ago, Yatra has released it. Still, they have a developers, testers, everything, and they have a software team. Okay, how it works? Because they are implementing new things. When they are implementing new things, absolutely someone should be there to test the application. That is called testers. Instead of doing manually, time consuming, and need to release the application on time, we are moving to automation. So why I'm telling to automation, just imagine this the same feature 10 years back, they developed it. Still, it is there. Correct. So you know, guys, just let me know 1 month you can test this. 2 months? Okay. 1 year, just imagine if you're testing the same application, same thing for 1 year again and again and again and again, how you will feel it. Okay. So it will be boring, right?
Yes, sir.
Imagine 1 year, I should test the same thing.
Here, Raghu, I wanted to ask one thing. Like the manual testing, some of the companies still having manual testing, right? So they used to search each and every city. If we go for this example, each and every city of each and every country, right?
Yeah.
And so how much time it will take for that? And how they do then?
That means people will be more.
Okay, but still, if like a single person is checking only cities and some other is checking only dates, like dates are not working properly or not. So like they require more time to release the application which they are testing, right?
Yes. Absolutely. See, I'll tell you, one application you can build and give it on just 3 months. One application may take 3 years.
Yeah.
Develop only.
Okay.
So it's based on the weightage of the applications.
Okay.
So like a banking applications, you cannot really develop and release just like that.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. It's like that. Hey, just a minute, guys. Just a minute. We'll be back.
Okay, sir.
You guys, any doubt till now? Any?
Yes.
I'll just go to the round table. Any questions, Arpita, Ganpat,
No, sir.
No, sir.
Swapna, Bala?
No.
No.
Fine then, cool. Okay, I'm moving. So here, next, see, that is what I'm telling, right? See, same thing doing multiple times again and again, one point of time, I don't like this job, I will quit this job. I want something to do different. People can feel that, right? So, that is the time you need to explore why I can't automate it. Every time morning I'm coming, I'm switching on my laptop, I'm clicking on one way, I'm doing, but I'm not flying. I'm just clicking on only flights. I'm searching flights. It will be a boring, guys. So the automation came into the market. I can just write one time. I can spend some 2 hours the time to write one script. Let me automate it. Whenever I'm coming in office, I'll just open, I'll click on it. It will run automatically. It will give me result. How many test cases pass? How many test cases fail? That is, it's how simple, right?
Yeah.
That is what we are going to learn it in this complete session. How can we automate this? Okay. So automation can cover many things. I'll tell you. First of all, we have 3 things in automation. One, web applications. This is called web. Whichever is comes in the browser, www, that is called web browser testing. If you guys want, you can note it down in your notepad. Testing have different types. Browser testing. Okay. Second, mobile application testing. So what I'm telling, mobile application testing, even you can automate your WhatsApp also. Okay. So you can automate directly. You can call to someone. You want to disturb guys, someone every 5 minutes, you can automate the script and you can call them automatically. You can do all these things. That's called mobile application testing. Third one is desktop application. Okay. So what do you mean by desktop application? See, whatever it's like, this is the notepad. This is not the, is it a browser related?
No, sir.
No, right. It's just a small application. It's just some exe.
Yeah.
So same way, even you can open the notepad and you can write something, you can save it. That is called desktop testing, desktop application testing. So I want you to understand what all these testings. Yeah. So now, when you're coming to web browser testing, which tool will support? Selenium. And Selenium is an open source. I'll talk about different session. Topic about Selenium. I'm just giving introduction that you guys understand. So web browser testing, we have to use Selenium tool. What about mobile application testing? We have to use Appium tool. Desktop application, there are a lot of things. I'll just give one thing that is called, even Python alone can do. But there is some lot of application is there. Okay. QTP, like that, etc. So what we are going to learn? Selenium web browser testing. Oh, I was about to say the architecture, right? Yeah, we are on the. So Selenium, what we need to do? Moving this. You guys understand first, then you can copy this. Okay. If you're going any interview, they will ask maybe what is can you just draw the Selenium architecture and explain it? Okay. So observe clearly, guys. This is your browser. I'm just making Chrome browser. What you have to do, you have to open the yatra.com and you have to automate something. That is my target. For to achieve that, what I need to do, I should know some language to write some script. Correct. Script in the sense, nothing. Manually, what we will do, we will open the laptop, we will browser, right? See, I'm just doing manually. I'm opening a new browser. I'm entering the yatra.com. I'm clicking on from. Again, I'm clicking on destination. Then I'm clicking on date. I'm clicking on search flights. So click, 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 click. So you will get some output. So 5 to 6 test steps you made it. Correct. That is called by manually you have done manually click, click, click. The same thing I have to write it in an automation. That is called test and test step. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. So manually you have done it, all these steps. The same thing I want to write it in a script. That means any language, Python or Java. Correct. So what we should know, first we should know more about language. This is called language binding. And mention Python, Java. So we should be more thorough in one language. Now I'm making again here browser. Okay, this is our target.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Hey, okay, just a minute. Okay. So language alone cannot interact with the browser. Correct. It's just a language, but you need someone to interact with the Chrome. Hey, it can be anything, guys. See what I'm telling you, Chrome, or it can be Edge, it can be a Firefox, any browser, right? See what I mentioned here, it's a web browser testing. Okay, that means Chrome, Firefox, Edge. So actually, Edge is the advanced version of Internet Explorer when it's a Microsoft one. Okay. And what is that? Opera and Safari. What is Safari? It is called
Browser.
iOS one. Okay, this is also browser, one of the browser in Apple. Okay, so what I'm telling, it can be any browser. That is the thing I'm going to say, guys. Okay, so you need to interact with the browsers. So for that, you need one person, the third party guy. Okay, the third sense is some kind of interface, application programming interface. That is called Selenium. Okay. So what we need the help of Selenium to interact with the browser. So what will happen? This browser, right? So he made it all his classes, his permissions as a one file that is called a driver exe. So this driver exe you should have. Then only Selenium can interact with him. You should give this file to the Selenium so that Selenium can talk to this browser. So what we need now, we need one language, a Selenium, and we need a Chrome browser, and we need a Chrome browser exe. So these are the prerequisites. Before we start to automate, these are the things we should be having in our computer. Okay. So what will happen? Selenium will be interact to the browser. Is you will give the order. You will write the first step. Step 1, open the browser and enter the URL. Enter yatra.com. Click on this, click on this, click on this. All the commands, right, you are giving. Selenium will carry to browser. Browser will respond. Then you will give the response to the Python. I have done the process or not, the report. Are you guys can able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Simple. I'll just show you now. You don't worry about the script and all. You just observe it. Okay.
Sir, I have one question, sir. What is API, sir?
It is a
Application interface.
application programming interface. So
Yeah.
you don't need to develop anything. It's already developed by someone. You're going to install it. You're utilizing it.
Okay, sir.
See, guys, I'm just running. Okay, I'm not doing anything. I'm just clicking on run. Just observe it. Automatically, my Chrome opened. It's loading. It's entered something. Orange source demo.orange.hrmlive.com, and it clicked on admin in the username. It's quite interesting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hey, Raghu, we don't understand. Can you show one more time? Can you ask me? Okay, I'll do one thing. What I will do, I will enter the password also. For that, I need again this. See, you can see, right? Chrome is being controlled by
Automated test.
Automated test.
software.
Yes, sir. Automatic test, sir.
That itself you guys can understand. I didn't do anything automated, right? So what I'm going to do, I will going to enter password also. Okay. Here should be your password also. I'll make it admin only. Okay. Again, I'm running, guys. See, this is what we are going to learn it. Okay. See, both got entered.
Yes, sir. Entered. What
Are you
it
able
is?
to observe both the text
Yes,
field
sir.
got
Yes,
filled.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The cursor is there. Yeah, we can see.
So to achieve this, we have to go
Login.
step by step by step by step. That means we need to know what is browser, what is this? This is a text box. What is this? This is also text box. What is this? This is the button.
Button.
How can we click on it? How can we get this? How can you pass the admin? All these things we will be learning. Okay. So I'll give syllabus now. Okay, if you guys want now, you can note of the architecture section. So this is called the language binding, and this is Selenium tool that is called API, and this is your browser. Okay. Just make it 3 DAPAs.
Sir, I have
Ananta.
one question. Sir. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, by using web application is developed with the help of a Java program, and I want to test with the Python programming in Selenium. Is it possible, sir?
Yes, absolutely. Good question. Yeah, it's possible.
Okay.
Why I'm telling, guys, we have lot of in the sense we have more than thousands of languages in the market. It doesn't mean like all the applications can be developed by one language, right? Even if you go to the Facebook have multiple languages used. Actually, it's not only Java, Python. They have used almost all the languages.
Okay.
Okay. So, but still we can automate the Facebook. See what I'm telling, can develop any application by any language. That doesn't matter for automation testing. Because you developed it, but what we are seeing only the front end, right? We are not seeing the back end code or anything.
Okay.
See, back end code is an example. See, like this. We don't want to see all this code concept. We want to see only the front, what we are getting. They may be written a lot of languages that we don't worry about it. Guys, note it down. It's a good question. So any other questions from anyone?
Sir, I have one more question. I am example. I am working in one company. They are developing a web or desktop application on Java or other languages. So if I'm going to can I check with the help of a Python in Selenium?
No, I couldn't get your question.
Sir, in we have one project on Android that it is developing on Java. So can we can you test by a Python in Appium?
Okay, what I understand about your question is one application developed in Android. That is a mobile app.
Okay.
You're telling, is it? You're
Yes,
telling
sir.
about the mobile application?
Sorry, sir.
Raghu, he is saying कि if developer is developing the application into Java and he has to check it into Python by Selenium at the time of testing. So can he do that?
Yes, this was the first question, right? Yes, we can do that.
Mobile applications are in Appium.
That is what. See, mobile application I already showed, right? We can do that. Again, further you need to learn the Appium.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
Sir, in spite of using Selenium, so we are using Appium to test.
No, we can't say instead of. It's a top of that. Actually, we should know Selenium. Then you should know the Appium. It's a
part of
Appium will run top of the Selenium. Actually.
Okay, sir.
For mobile application, we can only use Appium, na? Or Selenium we can also use.
No, it's including Appium with Selenium.
Okay.
Yeah, I understood.
Because Appium alone is not there. So Appium is developed itself with the Selenium base only.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, basics we should understand very clearly so that we can go further. Okay. So try to understand. I'll give you 2 links about the what is automation, why automation, all these things. I'll send you through those 2 links. You just go through that today. So that theory part we no need to discuss more. Otherwise, a lot of time will take if I'm explaining a lot of theory parts. So I need your support to study about the theory part. See, we don't worry about theory part now. I mean, we don't discuss more, right? So we need a more practical, hands-on. So I'll give you some links for the theory part, understand it, and most probably every weekend of Friday or some days, maybe we can have some discussion like what you guys understand. So theoretically, you have to explain everyone. Okay, so we prepare on that for that.
Sure.
Okay, fine then. Now, what we are going to learn? We will be learning how to create HTML web page. I'm going to teach you some basics like how can we create a page like this. Okay, so that you will understand how developers are developing, how we can automate it. Right? See, it's like you need to find out the thieves. So police also should think about the thief. There is a proverb, right? So we should know how developers are developing the web page, right? It's like that. We will learn about a simple HTML web page, how to create. Then in that web page, what and all features are there? Features in the sense, like you can see, right? It's a text box or it's a drop down. It can be a link or it's a checkbox or radio button. It's a date selector. There are many things. All these things we will learn. So what we will learn? HTML, text box, checkbox, radio button, link, what's the date picker, Okay, drop. So all these things plus with the HTML. So once we learn the basics of the HTML, then we will, okay, before that we should be the installation should be done, right? What is the prerequisites? But we need a language that is Python, and for Swapna and Ravati, Java. Okay, that should be installed and running on your system. And then we need one IDE. For Python people, it's a PyCharm. For Java people, it's Eclipse. And I'm going to help you to install Selenium. Then Selenium packages, that means jar files. Then everyone maybe have the Chrome, because I'm going to teach you in the Chrome browser. Okay. Then we need a driver. That driver is called Chrome driver. So I want all this to be there on your system. Okay. This is the first step. Once it's done, then we will move to the second. Then once it's done, how can we, how to find out the route in the sense, see, your home is there and you put one destination. Suppose Adyar Ananda Bhavan you have to go. But from your home to Adyar Ananda Bhavan, it's not like only one way. There can be a multiple ways, I'm telling. So it can be a 3 ways, right? If you stuck with one way, maybe the road got blocked. Stuck with the way, go to other way. That is called path. That we will learn it. Why I'm telling this, you will understand how I found this, right? So in the here, I clicked on inspect, right? Inspect, then I found it now. So what is his name, ID, all these things. So that I'm telling. So you have multiple ways to find out. That is what locators, I mean to say location. So we have to know, right? Where is this, how to go and how to click on it. That locators we have to find out. That is what the topic is called, locators. So what are the locators we have? We have ID, name, class name, link text. Hey guys, you note it down, otherwise I'll send you this, but it's very important, all these things, okay? Because this is all we are going to learn it. And partial link text. What else? The first one is tag name actually. Tag name, ID, class name, link text. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and export. So these actually export. Again, export have 8 types. Okay. I will explain. So once we learn it, all these things, then we will be, it's all including actually when we are discussing, right? So it will be covered, all these things will be covered. And once we learn it, then we will move to little, we will open some applications and what we need. 2 things is that. One is a browser elements. Another one is that's fine. We'll see browser elements. Then we will go one by one. Then we will start to write our test script. So in manually we can call test cases. Then we will tell test scripts. Okay. And then we'll go little one more level. That is called action chains. All these things. Action chain, window handles, and how can we get that pass fail the report, right? That and all we'll see, and how to pass the input from Excel. That is called file handling. Okay, file handling. Finally, we'll come to a report part. How to get the report. So including there will be many things, guys. So if need, we will discuss that later. The completion, everyone must have hands-on some projects within your hand. Okay, that's very important actually. So, and also I'll give some applications to you guys to test manually. And I want you to find out the bugs in the applications. So suppose if you're clicking this, I can click login or anything. Can you just try to find out some bugs, right? It also is better. And yeah, this is what we are going to learn. Any doubt till now? Anyone?
No. Raghu, can we install all this on PC?
Yes, we can.
I'll arrange my PC. I'll arrange a PC only for tomorrow.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to help for the Python people now. I just observe what you have to do. Bala, Arpita, Ganpat not started because Ganpat is just a first class for the demo today. I need to start for Ganpat. What I want, Arpita and Bala, you guys have to install the Selenium just by the simple way. Open your command prompt. Just open command prompt. Just type pip. So detailed like what is pip and all. So what you have to do, just type pip install Selenium like this. Pip install Selenium and enter it. It will download the latest version of the Selenium. It's already there in my system, so that I'm getting requirement already satisfied. That's it. This is what you have to do it now. And Chrome browser testing, guys, this is for everyone. Okay, first you should website, right? How to download Selenium. Okay, what I did, two things we can do. Either I can go to the Selenium official website and I can download. Okay, guys, so I can go here and I can download stable version C#, Ruby, Java, Python, JavaScript. So I can go here, I can click on it. So here, how to install it. Pip install Selenium. Then even you can click on it, it will be downloading as a file. Okay, this is not good, guys. So this is for the Python, and for the Java people, come back. You have to do this. Swapna, Revati, go here, click on this. It will be a zip file. Okay. See, Selenium Java 4.1.0. You have to download this.
Okay.
And download and unzip it. Open and see the. I mean, that's it. Fine. Just download. That's enough. Okay. So what about if you guys see, right? Anywhere, if you open anything, or I'll give this link, Chrome driver Chromium. You have to check your version first, guys. Help about Chrome, Google Chrome. Can you see my version is 96. What you have to do? Go to Google, type download Chrome driver.
Okay.
So fine. Anyway, it will redirect to your FTP only, file transfer protocol. What you have to do, based on your version, you download it. So mine is 466445. 466445. This is mine. Click on it. See it to the FTP. Click on this Windows. Or everyone, all 5 can click on this link.
Okay.
based on your browser. Okay. So I'm not giving, why I'm not giving, because it can vary based on the browser. Click on this, just a zip file, it will download it.
Okay.
What I want you to do, just create a new folder and dump all these things there.
Okay.
Okay, guys, clear now till now? If you want, you can continue. You can do it now. Bala, Arpita, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What is doing now?
Yeah.
Swapna, Revati, you can download, right? As I said, go to the Selenium website and click on the Java part, like here. Click on the zip file. So, Ganpati, are you following?
So your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay, fine then. Fine. I just want to be attentive.
Will you please open that Chrome driver in tab? I'll just note the link.
This one? You
Yes.
just type in Google. That's okay, no problem. You just type Google Chrome driver exe download. That's enough.
Okay.
And guys, find out what is your Chrome website. Click on these three dots. Click on help. So about Google Chrome.
Okay, sir.
And
What shall we type in the Google for driver?
pardon?
This about Chrome driver, sir. So what should we search?
No, click on about Google Chrome. You will get the version here.
Okay.
Hey guys, why I'm telling about the version, right? Selenium is the open source, right? Selenium is the open source. Chrome is the open source. Python is open source. We are not paying 1 rupee also to them. Correct? So to understand the browser, see, everything is open source and it can be the problem in the sense the versions can mismatch. That means right now my browser is this. If you're using the Selenium, some other versions, that may cause the issue. You cannot be able to run the automation properly. Keep it in your mind. Whenever you guys join in a company, you are facing any issue, first verify this version will work on this version or not. Keep it in mind. That is very important. Because all the browser may work in all the Selenium version. Okay. And also you should be same version you should download. So tomorrow it can be 97 for me. But what will happen? I have 96. That time you will get the error. Okay. You will get error like a Chrome uncompatible version here.
So every time we update our Google Chrome, we have to change the version of this also.
Yes, we
right?
need to change, but generally your Chrome will not update every time. And if you want, you can stop the update from your computer settings. So I can suggest, if it's your personal computer, you can stop by manually, you can stop the Chrome update. Whenever you want, you can update it. So that once you update, you can update the driver also at the time.
Okay.
Sir, Chrome driver will communicate to the Selenium, right, sir?
Sorry?
Sir, my question is, the work of the Chrome driver is to communicate with the Selenium, right?
Correct.
Okay.
It's Chrome is giving you entire permission of his own methods. That means native methods. See, browser is having this kind of facilities, right? There is a minimize, maximize, close. Here you have to enter URL. So all these permissions, everything is covered in the driver exe.
Okay.
So that's called native methods. If anybody is asking you guys what is Chrome driver exe, you can say all the browser native methods is present inside the driver.exe. Why we are using that? Hey, if anybody is facing an issue, please let me know, because tomorrow we need to start the session, right? So today only you download it and make it ready, so that tomorrow once I have completed my session, you can start to practice on it.
Okay.
So you guys are ready? I mean to say downloaded all?
I'll download it tomorrow because I have to arrange the PC for that.
Okay, Swapna?
Yeah, I am trying to download.
Yes, Swapna. Hey, Arpita, what's going on?
Sir, I will download later.
Hey guys, then no one is doing. Bala?
Sir, I'm ready to do, sir, but I'm not getting how to do. So please, will you say once again?
Hey, nothing. Just okay. You just open command prompt.
Yeah.
Just type pip install Selenium. Okay. And this is the link, right? Official Selenium website. I'm giving you
Java
this.
people?
Java people, you have to click on this.
What is that?
You don't have command prompt. You have to click and we have to download
We
the
have
Java
to like
files.
from the Chrome we have to download.
Yeah, then you have to unzip it. So once you unzip, you will get a file like this. That file we
Can I
need
share my
to.
desktop?
This file we need to integrate with our Eclipse. Okay. See, these are all job files. We need to integrate with our Eclipse. So once you guys download it today, tomorrow I'll help you how to integrate with this Eclipse. Or better, I'll give you one link now. So better you guys can just try it out. So why you need to wait for me till tomorrow class, right?
Okay, sir.
Wait, I'm sending you the link for you. Copy paste it somewhere. So what is this? This is for Selenium, and this is for your Chrome driver. What else? Already you guys installed the Python, Java, everything. So that's no need to worry. Right now this is enough. Yeah, I think that's all. And I told you, I'll give you 2 links. Yeah, this is the 2 links actually. Guru 19, and you can just go through that. And one is, and this is the link I always used to give you guys for everything: manual testing, automation, because this guy's theory is very good. Okay. So, and don't waste the time, guys. Already we have crossed the limit of the period. So please try to utilize the time, and we have to complete this within a month. Okay. Fine then. Any doubt, guys, today?
Sir, I'm trying to install, but it is showing so pip is not recognized as an internal or external command.
Pip is not okay. So what you have to do, Bala, Arpita, this is for you also. Go to app data where your Python got installed. There you have to go. Suppose percentage app data percentage. Hey, Gandhar, you also note it down. You will be needed this. Local programs Python in C script. Can you see pip here?
Yes, sir.
Go to this path. Go to this path. I'm just giving you just for the reference again. Same app data. Go and copy this path. Put it in your command prompt. cd path. Okay, so you can see here. Then you type exe. Then it will run. Okay, then install Selenium. Mention this. Clear? Okay, guys, I want everyone to install Notepad plus better. I want Notepad plus everyone to be installed for tomorrow class. So that HTML is very easy to explain for you guys. It is Notepad plus.
Okay.
And if anybody have a time, please go through how to start the HTML. I'm just giving start new .html. Just free time, some 10 to 15 minutes. You just open HTML, how to create the HTML. There's a W3 source, right? How HTML page. W3 not source. So here you go. Just I'm going to do right. The first example I'm giving you. You just see here what I'm doing. Then I'm saving this. What I'm doing, it's HTML. Where it is, it's in my desktop. When I'm saving .html, it will be a browser. See, I'm opening this. I got like this. This is my HTML page. My first heading, first paragraph. Correct? It's a very simple, guys. Go open Notepad, save the file .html, copy paste this and try to understand it. Okay. The main focus, but we should know. If you are learning, it will be more good actually. So if you go a little more, again you will get a title also, you can do this. And if you are going one by one little more styles and all, it will be more big like this. Right? So you no need to worry about, just go HTML home or introduction. That's enough.
Thanks for watching introduction class. If you want to register, please visit dridhOn.com. Or you want to discuss more or check for the trial classes, please call 9066508122 or visit dridhOn.com. Thank you.